Hey everyone, I'm working on this 2012 Dodge Ram pickup with a 5.7 Hemi engine in it. I'm going to be replacing the engine. I've already got it out and on the ground here, and we've got a brand new crate engine from the dealership right here. I'm going to show you what's inside. So I just opened it, haven't unwrapped it at all. This is how it comes from the factory. Let's go ahead and start unwrapping. I'm going to go ahead and cut the zip tie right here because I'm going to try to reuse this plastic bag in order to put the core engine, the old engine, back in here. Opening it up here. Set it off to the side. First thing I see is some gaskets, what looks like a gasket kit sitting on the top here. Let's see all the... Doesn't appear to have spark plugs in it. I'm wondering if they come with it. We're going to go ahead and find out that also. So we'll go ahead and go around it here and see that it does not come with the timing cover, which is going to have to come off the old engine, but it does come with a new cam phaser and a new oil pump. It has all of its warnings on there. Basically, if you had a catastrophic engine failure, then you need to replace the intake manifold. The spark plug holes are plugged, which if you look down in there, there's no spark plugs, which that kind of sucks that they don't supply spark plugs with a brand new engine. But it does have those sensors right there. And I'll go ahead and look down here. See, it doesn't even appear like it has a pan on it. I don't think it has a pan on it, which that kind of sucks, because now I gotta take the pan off the old engine and put it on there. I know that the Fords and stuff come with the Ford comes with valve covers, comes with a new timing cover, pan, a lot of new stuff on the Ford engines, and this one doesn't even come with valve covers or a pan. But that's what you see whenever you open it up. Crate engine straight from the factory. Well, I'm not going to get too detailed on the engine, the crate engine out of there, because I've got a lot of work to do that I wasn't expecting to have to do. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and start transferring the parts, cleaning it up, replacing the parts that need replaced, get all the plugs in, and then get it prepped and ready to start putting the engine back into the truck. This is what a crate engine looks like straight from the dealership, or from the manufacturer. But anyways, thanks for watching my video today. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button for me. Like it, share it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching again, everyone. You painting the wall?
Yeah. Oops, I tried to not go fast, but I was trying to get the top. I can use my speedos. Oops, I tried to not do that again.